Tomorrow, organize your community and go to a school close to you, carrying placards demanding state-funded basic education. Achipere mushe panapa pobuda paitogwa mashoko achinzi aiwa, as you all know kuti tomorrow maschools ndo pari kuvhura on a Tuesday zviri kunzi vakomana munhu wese ngaabate maplacards ndakuti the ZANU-PF regime taneta nenhema dzayo pana pari kutendera mapost amuri kuona eSunday Mail makore awandisa kubva mashure vachiti free education from next year achitaurwa nemutungamiri wenyika ndobva subscribe like kuti on the bell like kuti tipinda panapa chenjeri domdanyora kuti the ruling ZANU-PF we will only remember the obligation of providing state funded towards an election. The manifesto will speak to state-funded education and the campaign messages will eloquently articulate state-funded education. They are well aware that Zimbabweans are only active during the electoral cycle. When the election is predictably rigged, citizens whine and groom and start preparing for the next election. The state under Emmerson Mnangagwa is felt to meet the constitutional obligation of providing state-funded basic education, resulting in 50,000 learners dropped out of school in 2024 alone. Already, almost 3 million prospective students are out of school. We are appealing to you to disabuse yourselves from the folly of waiting for the next election as the only solution to Zimbabwe's problems. We can demand solutions today from those in power. Yes, they rigged elections, but they now have a duty to deliver. On school fees, on school opening day tomorrow, 13 May 2025, organize your community and go to a school close to you, carrying placards demanding state-funded basic education. Deliver a petition to the school yet for onward submission. Let's make noise until Mnangagwa fulfills the constitutional mandate of providing state-funded education. Ndio shwaruda pangwa ino achibuda anyongwa nawakomana aiwa vechinji radio vachiti aiwa vanhu ngavazvimiririre panguva ino vanosvika kuzvikoro zviri close kwavari vanodhimanda kuti aiwa isusu takapromisiwa free education. Vana comment section medu dzimafungiro enyu musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.